Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So just a quick update as we run into the end of the year. If you need an order that you've got either stored here or you're about to make, if you need it delivered to your place of abode, wherever you want it stored, you need to get that message to us prior to, I've been telling everyone the 10th, which is actually Saturday, but what I'm actually meaning is the Friday 9th of December by close of business. If you get that information to us by then, we will ship it out the following week. And the chances are, more than likely, we'll almost guarantee that it will arrive at your residence or wherever you've asked us to send it to in plenty of time for Christmas. We are not dispatching after that 9th of December because we don't want things to get caught up in the general morass or morass, whatever you want to call it, of the postal system that seems to be going on at the moment. So anything after that, we will certainly take your shipping requests after that, but they will not be shipped until the new year because we don't want things languishing in depots and all sorts of things. It becomes very difficult to trace any item that is delayed anywhere or anything along those sort of lines. So please get any postage requests in by the close of business on the 9th of December. As far as shop hours go, we are going to be open all the way through up to and including the 23rd of December, which is the Friday prior to Christmas. We will be closing on the 23rd. We will be closed all the way through until the 9th of January, when we will reopen again, bright and sparkly in the store. Now, you will actually notice that the website will be down for a component of that time as well. And that's due to us changing over to our new systems. So we've got to take the website online. So don't panic. We're not evaporating and disappearing into the ether. We are just doing some maintenance and some updating during that quiet period over that Christmas New Year break. So that's a really quick update on the end of the year. No doubt I will probably be back with a renewed update later on when we know more information, but that's where we stand at the moment. So get your requests in by the 9th of December, and if you're coming in store, come in before the 23rd of December. That's it for now. We'll talk again next time.